Hey guys, I'm Stephanie Stevenson and we're here at the animation store at Universal Studios Hollywood that is brand new because it's featuring Hello Kitty. Now check out this exclusive Hello Kitty merchandise that's only available here at Universal Studios Hollywood. So not only does the Hello Kitty have tons of things for you to buy, but also has tons of treats for you to eat. And a very big thank you to Hello Kitty for showing us around her new store here at Universal Studios Hollywood. Thanks for watching! Thank you for watching Muse. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and subscribe to see all of our upcoming videos.